Hello and welcome. I'm Barbara and I'm thrilled to have you join me for this preparatory course on the classification of costs for small home businesses. Throughout this short course, we'll dive deep into the essential areas of classifying costs and how it can empower you as a small home business owner to make informed financial decisions and drive success in your business. As someone who has taught business studies, ICT and computer science to A-level standards in schools and colleges for 16 years and now runs a small business from home, I understand the challenges and opportunities that small home business owners like you face daily. That's why I'm passionate about sharing my knowledge and insights to help you navigate the complexities of managing your business finances. Lesson objective. In this preliminary course, you will learn the fundamental concepts of profit and the classification of costs and how they apply to your business or general finances. You'll also learn practical strategies for effectively categorising and managing your business expenses, using Excel spreadsheets for calculations and generating helpful visual charts. Understanding the basics will help you to make better financial decisions and improve your business's profitability. But more than just learning about the classification of costs, this course empowers you to take control of your business finances and achieve your entrepreneurial goals. I encourage you to actively engage with the course material, ask questions in the group, and apply what you've learnt to your business. Your participation is key to getting the most out of this experience and driving meaningful results in your business. So, get ready to embark on this journey of discovery and empowerment. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of the classification of costs and pave the way for your small home business to thrive. Thank you for choosing to be part of this introductory course, and I look forward to guiding you every step of the way. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Introduction to Profit and Cost Classification. The learning outcomes are to understand the definition of profit, the definition of cost classification, the importance of cost classification for small home businesses and businesses in general, and the three primary types of costs: fixed, variable, and total costs. Definition of profit. Profit is total sales revenue or income less total costs. Profit refers to the financial gain earned by a business after deducting all expenses from total revenue, including costs of goods sold, operating expenses, taxes, and interest payments. It represents the surplus remaining after all costs have been accounted for. I'm sure you will know that profit is a vital indicator of a business's financial performance and is essential for assessing its viability and sustainability. Definition of cost classification. This refers to grouping incurred business expenses into categories based on their nature, behaviour, and function. It helps businesses organise and understand their costs more effectively, enabling better financial management and decision making. Importance of cost classification. It can clearly show where money is being spent and the impact on profitability. Business owners can determine areas for economising to minimise wastage. They can optimise the allocation of resources, Give priority to those investments that contribute more to profits, and set appropriate product prices to cover expenses while generating a profit margin. Overview of the primary types of costs. Now, our focus in this main course will be on 3 types of costs. Fixed costs, also referred to as indirect costs, variable costs, otherwise known as direct costs, and total costs, which is a combination of fixed and variable costs. Understanding these categories will be particularly important for small home business owners to grasp how different expenses affect their business operations and financial health. Lesson 2. Understanding fixed, variable and total costs. Your learning outcomes here are to be able to explain the characteristics of fixed costs, variable costs and total costs. Explanation of fixed costs. So what are fixed costs? They are indirect expenses that do not change due to changes in output levels or sales volume. They are typically incurred regularly and do not vary based on business activity. So let's look at some examples of fixed costs. Rent or lease payments. The amount paid for office space, a storefront or equipment rental remains constant each month. Insurance premiums. Insurance costs for businesses, coverage, typically have fixed monthly or annual payments. Salaries of permanent employees. Wages for employees on fixed contracts or salary arrangements do not fluctuate based on business activity. Why do fixed costs remain unchanged? Fixed costs remain constant because they do not depend on the production levels or sales volumes. A business may produce or sell fewer goods or services in a particular month, for example, but the fixed costs still need to be paid. Explanation of variable costs. What are variable costs? They are direct expenses that fluctuate in response to changes in production or sales volume levels. Examples of variable costs are raw materials. The cost of materials used in production directly correlates with the quantity produced. Direct labour is another example. Wages paid to workers directly involved in the production process vary based on production levels. Utilities. Electricity, water and heating or cooling costs. These vary depending on production levels and usage. Sales commissions. Sales commissions vary depending on the level of sales achieved. If sales decrease, commissions paid out to salespeople decrease accordingly. Conversely, if sales increase, commissions paid out also increase. So, why do variable costs change? Variable costs fluctuate because they are directly tied to production or sales volume. As production or sales increase, variable costs rise proportionally. Conversely, if production or sales decrease, variable costs will decrease accordingly. For example, a 10% rise or fall in production or sales is assumed to lead to a rise or fall in variable costs by 10%. Definition of total costs. Total costs refer to the sum of all expenses incurred by a business in producing or providing goods and services. It is a combination of both fixed costs and variable costs. Total costs are essential for determining a business's financial health and profitability. Congratulations! You've completed the first half of the short course on the basics of cost classification for small home business owners. Now you have a solid understanding of different costs affecting your business's financial performance. Applying this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to manage your expenses, make informed decisions, and drive success in your small home business. To make you aware, this is only an excerpt from the main course, which is currently in pre-launch stage. In the second section of this course, we will apply this business theory using Microsoft Excel spreadsheets to manage the different types of costs. Keep up the great work! I look forward to you joining me for the second part of the preliminary training course. Thank you.